everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain On Gym Pro reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of the site and it is an online store based in United States and Canada that deals with gymming accessories like adjustable dumbbell, weight bench, dumbbell stand, yoga mat, workout gloves, etc. And you can see the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. You need to visit the menu option button and just visit the shop option here. Then you will find the products along with their prices, which are too good to be true. Now guys, talking about payment information, so I'm not able to find any payment information on this site because no payment section is available on this site, which is a bad sign. And let's check out the shipping and delivery information. And guys, the company is also offering free shipping all orders over $50. And talking about shipping duration, so your order is processed in 5 to 7 business days, including Monday to Friday, and your package will be delivered at within or estimated of 10 to 15 days from date of purchase. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And now I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, talking about the important factor, so this site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign. And coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 7th of November 2020. So guys, this is a newly launched website, therefore the site can't be trusted, and to define its legitimacy we need to discuss more factors. So let's check out the about us information of this site. So let's find out the about us section. Guys, you can see no about us section is available on this website, which is again a bad loophole. Anyways, let's check out the contact us information to know more about this website. So this is the contact us page of the site, and you can see they have not provided their contact details, including official address, contact number, as well as email address. So this is a red high alert, which shows that the site may be suspicious. Now coming to the social media existence of this site. So guys, this site has no social media presence at all, which is again a bad sign. Now let's check out the return or refund policy of this site. So you can see there is no option of return or refund policy in main menu option button, which is again a bad sign guys. But please do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product if you have. And guys, talking about On Gym Pro reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet as this is not a popular site. And the site is not maintained professionally. So yes, on the final conclusion, I would say the site appears to be scam. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Guys, you should stay away from such type of scam websites. And we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.